enjoyed the conversation and found the insights helpful, consider subscribing for more content like this. Your support means a lot.
Well, hello everyone, it's your boy Daniel with Website Candy, and today I want to talk to you guys about ChatGPT being on steroids, okay? So I just discovered this. I don't know how long this has been happening, but you can talk to ChatGPT, will interact with you. So let me get it started. Hello, how are you doing today?
Hey there, I'm just a computer program, so no feelings here. How can I help you today?
I want to know what's the best foods to eat when it comes to exercising.
When exercising, go for a mix of carbs and protein. Try things like bananas, yogurt, or whole grain toast before, and chicken, eggs, or nuts afterward. Stay hydrated with water too. Anything specific you're looking for?
I'm looking for a lot of proteins in my diet by any chance.
Got it. For protein, consider lean options like chicken, fish, beans, and eggs. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are good too. Include a mix throughout your day for a balanced intake. Anything else you'd like to know about protein-rich foods?
Okay, so you guys can see that, I had a conversation with ChatGPT. I didn't have to prompt it. It automatically prompted itself. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to a whole new thread. I'm gonna talk about something completely different, and I'm just gonna hit the little headphones right there in the corner and we're gonna be off. I'm making a video about talking and interacting with ChatGPT. What should I title the video?
How about exploring conversations with ChatGPT, a user's guide?
Could you give me reference point on how long the video should be?
Aim for a video length around 8 to 12 minutes to keep it engaging and informative.
When it comes to that particular video, can you give me about 10 medium tail keywords that I can add to my video?
Certainly. Consider using keywords like 1. ChatGPT interaction tips, 2. Conversational AI insights, 3. User guide for ChatGPT, 4. Video chat with AI, 5. Effective communication with ChatGPT, 6. AI conversation techniques, 7. Making the most of ChatGPT, 8. Interactive AI experiences, 9. ChatGPT tutorial, 10. Enhancing dialogue with AI.
Okay, last but not least, at what point in the video should I ask the people to subscribe?
A good time to ask for subscriptions is towards the end of the video, during the conclusion, or a natural wrap-up. This way, viewers have had a chance to appreciate your content before you encourage them to subscribe.
So you don't think it's a good idea to ask them to subscribe in the very beginning?
While it's common to see subscription prompts at the beginning, it might be more effective to build a connection with your audience first. Save the subscription and ask for later, once they've engaged with your content and are more likely to subscribe.
Could you please give a shout out and tell everyone to subscribe?
Absolutely. Hey, if you enjoyed the conversation and found the insights helpful, consider subscribing for more content like this. Your support means a lot.
Hey man, listen, I couldn't have said it any better. And as you can see here, I have the whole entire conversation in a text form. So when it comes to those keywords that I asked ChatGPT to give me, here are the keywords right here that I'm going to use actually in this video. Yeah, man, I just wanted to show you guys this, man. This is phenomenal. I think I really like this. And like he said, now it's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.